Yes, but these antennas here are basically extended range, to put it in most simple terms, for the Neo. Also with this controller you can fly the newest Maverick and the newest DJI Mini series drone as well. So we'll get the controller back on now.
Walking in history, counting our steps. Walking in history, fun and learning for all. Walking in history, have fun.
Welcome back to the channel. Thank you for all the support on the last video. I'm actually quite shocked of how many viewers that actually got on the DJI Mini 3 Pro beginner's tutorial. But today, on a different subject, we have the DJI Neo. TJ has made a community post about the Neo and what to name it, so that will all be left down to, well, whoever comments. And we got the DJI Neo second hand, of course, and it is currently ready for inspection. But before all that, I will be showing you how to put on the strap for the RC2. Now, what's actually different about the RC2, you may ask? Well, first let me get that out of the way. It has extended signal, and for some odd reason, it actually the thumbsticks go there. Yeah, don't know why they changed that, but okay. So first of all, before we put this on, oh, let's get into camera view. Before we actually put this on, and then I'm going to show you how to set these up. So what we're going to do is the one on the left, we're going to push upwards, and we're going to rotate it anti-clockwise. That's the first one up. Then the second one, we'll pull that one up and rotate it clockwise. So now that's all up, we can put on our drone safety strap. As you can see, it says please don't disturb me when I'm flying the drone. So that's for people who might try to approach me, and hopefully they can read. Right, so these little bits here, these notches, whatever they're called, little screws, go into the holes here, and believe it or not, you get two, because one goes into one hole, one goes into the other hole. So we'll put the first one in. They can be quite finicky, especially with one hand. So let's get that one in. Oh. There we go. Don't over tighten it, but tighten it a little bit. So when you feel it getting tight, just give it 2 more turns, or 1.5. So then we're gonna get another one in. It is quite fiddly and quite difficult to get it on camera as well, apparently. Right, they're almost in. There's tight. There it is, 2 turns. Right, and then got these little clips here. Pull them back. I have to untighten it a little bit to make sure they're straight. But that'll be fun, because we did that, remember we did that extra 2 turns. If you've got big hands, it is going to be a bit of a struggle, as you can see. Especially in the summer, it's really hot. There we go. Oh. Oops. Right. I'm going to take it off camera for a second. The strap is on correctly and safely seated. Now we're going to head over to the Neo and get the Neo updated as well as the controller. So let's first actually put the battery in. Right, now the battery's in, we can turn on the Neo. I'll get into a bit more detail about the Neo in a bit, but for now we will just focus on updating it first and getting all control up to date, of course. But whilst everything gets updated with Magic of Editing, we'll once everything's on, then back with you. So now, as you can see, the controller is on. Let me just move the Neo out of the way because we don't really need it there right now. So we'll put it out over there. Alright, yeah, right. You can see the picture in the background. So what we're going to do, we're going to head over. Same with the 3 Pro. The 3 little dots in the top right corner. Oh, yeah. 3 little dots in the top right corner. And go to About. And we're going to check for updates. Oh, let's just check again, didn't quite see. Nope, that's all up to date. So now we're going to have the Neo, same way, just double click, hold down, and it's off. And we do the same with the controller, so we can update the controller as well. So let's get the controller updated as well. Yes, but these antennas here are basically extended range, to put it in very simple terms, for the Neo. Also with this controller you can fly the newest Maverick and the newest DJI Mini series drone as well. So we'll get the controller back on now. Okay, so now we're going to update the controller. So now we're on the update screen for the controller. So we're going to check for the firmware updates for the controller. Oh, that's up to date. Oh, wow. Oh, so is that. Okay, well. That is how you update your DJI Neo drone, your Neo drone. So that is the video for today on how to update your controller and your drone and how to put on your safety strap so you can let other people know when you're flying and for them not to approach you. So if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, I don't know how to do that with my hand, share, and leave your comments below. Apart from that, I'll catch you next one. Bye bye.
Walking in history, step by step. Walking in history.